Hey everyone, if you're in the market for a new sewing machine in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today I'm sharing my top 5 picks for the best sewing machines this year. I'll be counting down from number 5 to my absolute number 1 pick. And I promise you'll want to stick around for that reveal because it might surprise you. Let's dive right in. Number 5, brother, 1034D Serger. Now I know what you're thinking. Why is a serger on a general sewing machine list? Well, here's the thing. If you're serious about garment making or working with knit fabrics, this machine is absolutely essential. The 1034D delivers professional quality overlock stitches that you simply can't achieve with a regular sewing machine. What I love most about this serger is how user-friendly it is. Threading a serger used to be this intimidating process, but Brother has really simplified it with their color-coded threading system and the included instructional videos. This machine handles both 3-thread and 4-thread serging, which gives you incredible versatility. The 3-thread option is perfect for lightweight fabrics and decorative edges, while the 4-thread construction gives you that sturdy, professional finish on seams that won't unravel even after countless washes. The differential feed system is where this machine really shines. You can adjust it from 0.7 to 2.0, which means you can prevent stretching on knits or create those beautiful lettuce edge effects on stretchy fabrics. The cutting width is adjustable too, from 3.2 millimeters to 7.3 millimeters, so you have complete control over your seam allowances. Speed-wise, it runs at 1,300 stitches per minute, which is plenty fast for most projects. The free arm feature makes finishing cuffs and sleeves a breeze, and the built-in storage compartment keeps all your accessories organized. The only downside? It's a one-trick pony. You'll still need a regular sewing machine for construction, but for finishing work, this serger is unbeatable. Number 4, Brother CS 7000X. This machine offers incredible value for money. It's computerized, feature-rich, and perfect for sewists who want versatility without breaking the bank. With 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting stitches, this machine can handle virtually any project you throw at it. The LCD display shows all your settings clearly, and the automatic needle threader works consistently, something that can't be said for all machines in this price range. What really makes this machine special is the included extension table. Most machines in this price range make you buy the extension table separately, but Brother includes it. This extra workspace is invaluable for quilting or working with large projects. The automatic thread cutter is incredibly convenient. Just push a button and both the upper and bobbin threads are cut cleanly. It's one of those features that spoils you. Once you have it, you don't want to go back to manual cutting. Speed-wise, it maxes out at 850 stitches per minute, which is plenty for most applications. The speed control slider lets you set your maximum speed, which is great for maintaining consistency. I love the drop-in bobbin system. It's easy to load and the clear cover lets you monitor thread levels. The free arm drops down easily for circular sewing, and the presser foot pressure is automatically adjusted based on your stitch selection. The included feet are comprehensive. You get a zigzag foot, blind hem foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, overcasting foot, monogramming foot, quilting foot, walking foot, and spring quilting foot. That's everything you need to get started with virtually any technique. The machine runs quietly, which is great if you sew in the evenings or in an apartment. Build quality is solid, though not quite as robust as the higher-end machines. Where it falls short is with very heavy fabrics. It can handle them, but not with the same confidence as a heavy-duty machine. Also, some users report that the automatic features occasionally need recalibration. Number 3, Janome 230DC. Moving into our top 3 at number 3, we have the Janome 230DC, and this is where we start getting into serious sewing machine territory. Janome has a reputation for building machines that last decades, and the 230DC continues that tradition. A favorite among users and sewing instructors, it is often chosen in classrooms. This computerized machine offers 30 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, and stretch stitches. What sets Janome apart is their stitch quality. Every stitch is perfectly formed and consistent, which is crucial for professional-looking results. The LCD screen is clear and intuitive. You can see your stitch selection, stitch width, and length at a glance. The push-button stitch selection makes switching between stitches quick and easy, which is great when you're in the flow of a project. One feature I absolutely love is the memorized needle up-down position. You can set it so the needle always stops in the up position for easier fabric maneuvering, or down position for perfect pivoting. It's one of those features you don't think you need until you have it. The automatic tension system works flawlessly. I rarely need to adjust tension manually, which means less time troubleshooting and more time sewing. The front-loading bobbin with clear clear cover lets you monitor thread levels at a glance. The free arm is easily accessible and perfect for sleeves and cuffs. The maximum stitch width of 6.5 millimeters gives you nice wide decorative stitches, and the stitch length goes up to 5 millimeters for longer utility stitches. Speed control is excellent. You can set a maximum speed that's comfortable for your skill level, and the machine won't exceed it no matter how hard you press the foot pedal. This is perfect for beginners or when doing detailed work. The only real drawback is the price point. It's definitely an investment, but if you're serious about sewing and want a machine that will grow with your skills, the 230 DC is worth every penny. Number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. If you're working with heavy fabrics like denim, canvas, or leather, this is your best friend. The motor on this machine is 60% stronger than standard sewing machines, and you can really feel the difference. I've sewn through multiple layers of heavy denim without any hesitation or skipped stitches. At 1,100 stitches per minute, it's also one of the fastest machines in its price range. What really impressed me is the stainless steel bedplate. Fabric just glides across it effortlessly, even thick materials that might drag on other machines. The automatic needle threader works consistently, and if you've ever struggled with threading needles on thick fabrics where precision matters, you'll appreciate this feature. The machine comes with 23 built-in stitches, including some great stretch stitches that are perfect for active wear or alterations. The one-step buttonhole system is reliable and creates professional-looking buttonholes every time. The presser foot pressure is adjustable, which is crucial when you're switching between delicate and heavy fabrics. I love that you can dial it in perfectly for whatever project you're working on. Build quality is solid. This machine has a metal frame that minimizes vibration even at high speeds. Singer backs it with a 25-year limited warranty, which shows their confidence in this machine's durability. The downsides? It's purely mechanical, so no digital features or automatic settings. Also, while it handles heavy fabrics beautifully, it can be a bit aggressive for very delicate work. Number 1. Brother XR9550. This machine has earned the top spot because it offers the perfect balance of features, performance, and value that makes it ideal for the widest range of sewists. With 165 built-in stitches and 8 styles of one-step auto-size buttonholes, this machine can handle everything from basic alterations to complex quilting projects. The LCD screen is large and easy to read, showing stitch selection, width, length, and recommended presser foot. What sets this machine apart is the superior build quality. The metal frame provides stability and reduces vibration, while the advanced needle threading system works reliably every single time. I've used this machine extensively over the past year, and I can count on one hand the number of times the needle threader has failed. The automatic thread trimmer is perfectly calibrated. It cuts threads cleanly without leaving tails that are too short or too long. The knee lifter comes included, which is usually a premium feature, and it makes free motion quilting so much easier. Speed maxes out at 1,050 stitches per minute, which is fast enough for production work but controlled enough for detailed techniques. The speed control is infinitely variable, giving you precise control over your stitching speed. The workspace is generous with the included extension table, and the bright LED lighting illuminates your work area evenly without creating shadows. The automatic presser foot pressure adjustment works flawlessly across different fabric weights. What really impressed me is how this machine handles thread tension. The automatic tension system is incredibly sophisticated. I rarely need to make manual adjustments, even when switching between drastically different thread types or fabric weights. The stitch quality is exceptional. Every stitch is perfectly formed and consistent, whether you're doing straight stitching, zigzag, or complex decorative stitches. The feed dogs are precisely engineered and move fabric smoothly without puckering. For quilters, the free motion capabilities are outstanding. The feed dogs drop completely out of the way, and the quilting extension table provides plenty of support for large projects. The speed control becomes even more crucial here, and this machine delivers smooth, controlled movement. The included accessories are comprehensive multiple presser feet, bobbins, needles, seam ripper, cleaning brush, and a detailed instruction manual that actually makes sense. If I had to point out any negatives, it would be that this is a substantial machine. It's not something you'll want to move around frequently. Also, with so many features, there's a bit of a learning curve to access all the capabilities. But honestly, those are minor quibbles with what is truly an exceptional sewing machine that will serve you well for many years to come. Each of these machines excels in different areas, so the best choice really depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're just starting out or primarily work with lighter fabrics, the Brother CS7000X offers incredible value. For heavy-duty work, you can't go wrong with the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 223. If you want the absolute best stitch quality and are willing to invest in a machine that will last decades, the Janome 230 DC is your choice. And if you're serious about garment construction, don't overlook the Brother 1034D Serger as an addition to your sewing room. But if you want one machine that can truly do it all with professional results, the Brother XR9550 is my clear winner for 2025. What's your experience with any of these machines? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing about your sewing projects. And if this video helped you choose your next sewing machine, hit that like button and subscribe. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next video.